Hey, we have a Milltronics vertical machining center, model RH30, serial number 9224. Machine is new in 2006. It's got a large bed, 73 by 24 table with 60 inches of X travel, 30 inches of Y, and 28 inches of Z. Right now we're running the spindle at 2,500 RPM. It's a Cat 40, 4,000. The machine goes up to 8,000 RPM. It's boxway on the vertical, 6,500 RPM. Again, the machine goes up to 8,000. That's pretty high for this machine. All right, going down, doing a tool change. It has a 16 tool ATC umbrella style. Again, it's a Cat 40 machine. Simulating the tool change. We'll simulate another one. Finding the tool in the carousel right now, going around and around. Okay, that was tool changes. Now we're also going to run the axes. That's the X. Again, the X is 60 inches. That's your Y-axis, which is 30 inches. And your Z-axis, which is 28. So you saw the X, Y, and Z axis. The machine has a CENTURION 7 control, which is conversational in G-code. And hey, thank you for watching our video.